Now we are going to deal with the areas of combination of plane figure. Plane figures here we are mainly concerned with the plane figures of a circle or a part of a circle, and also other geometrical plane figures such as triangle, rectangle, and square, etc. And now we we know that the area of a sector of a circle, segment of a circle, and area of a circle itself, and perimeter of the circle, and other geometrical figures like area of a triangle, area of a square, and area of a rectangle, etc. We know already with the formulas, respective formulas. And with the help of these formulas and combination of one, two, or three or more geometrical figures, we are going to find out the area required in the combination of the geometrical figures. Now we are going to do it by some example, and now here area of the combination of a plane figure. As I have told, areas are related with the combination of circles or segment of a circle or sector of the circle or triangles or squares, a rectangle, etc. Now we will explain these by some example here, and this example is solved in your textbook, which I am going to present here. And the plane figures you can see here. And now the area of the square lawn ABCD is equal to square is side is 56 meters, and therefore area is equal to 56 into 56 square meters. So that we will call it as 1. And we know the diagonals of the square intersect perpendicularly, and hence angle AOB is 90 degree. Now let us say OA equal to, as we know, diagonals intersect at O, and diagonals, corresponding diagonals, are equal because it is a square. And let me call this OA equal to OB is equal to X. And therefore, by the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square, and that is AB square is equal to X square plus X square is equal to 2X square. That is, as we know, AB equal to 56 square equal to 2x square. That is 2x square equal to 56 into 56. That is x square is equal to 28 into 56. Let me call this as an equation number 2. Now the area of the sector OAPB is equal to 90 by 360, that is a theta by 360 into phi r square. As you know, the angle is 90 degree here, 90 degree, and therefore this is 90 by 360 into phi r square equal to 1 by 4 into phi x square, because OA square is equal to x square, that is OA is equal to x, and therefore x square. This is the value which you have found in equation number 1, and this is equal to what is that? 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 56. That equal to 22 into 56 because 4 7s are 28, 28, 28 are going to get cancelled. That is left with the 22 into 56. That let me call it as by equation number 3. This is by equation 2. And therefore now also the area of a triangle OAB equal to 1 by 4 into 56 into 56. So why this is so? Because the square you can observe here, area of the square is equal to area of a triangle OAB and OAD plus ODC and OCB, 4 triangles. All are having a equal area, and therefore one triangle OAB or any other triangle equal to 1/4 of the area of a square. That we have written here, 1/4 of 56 into 56. That is the area of the square. And now this is equal to 14 into 56. That I would like to call it as equation number 4. And now, so the area of the flower bed APB equal to area of a sector minus area of a triangle. Area of the sector OAPB minus this will give here the flower bed, and that equal to 22 into 56 minus 14 into 56 equal to 56 into this, that equal to 56 into 8. 56 into 8, that is going to be, what is that? 56 into 8 equal to 448 square meter. Let me call this is an equation 5. And similarly, the area of the flower bed DQC is equal to area of the same sector 1 by 4 into the same one 8 by 87, that equal to 400. Let me call this is 446. 448. 448. Same area we will get. Let me call it as a 6. And therefore, the total area is area of the square ABCD plus area of APB plus area of DQC, and that equal to what is that? Area of the square is 56 into 56 plus 448 plus 448. This is by 1, 5 and 6. That is 56 into 56 plus 2 into 48, and that is equal to 56 into 56 equal to 3136 plus 896, that is 4032. That is the area, total area of the flower bed, including that is square. Alternative method, I am going to give here the solution for the same problem. Here total area equal to area of the sector OAPB and ODQC plus area of the triangle OAD plus OBC, and that equal to 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into x square, that is 28 into 56, plus the same quantity 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 56 plus 1 by 4 into 56 into 56. Another the same quantity 1 by 4 into 56 into 56. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 28 into 56. I would like to take common factor this as 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7 plus 2 plus 2, and that equal to 7 into 56 by 7 into 22 plus 22 plus 14, 7 into 2, 14 plus 14, and that equal to 56 into 72 square meter, that equal to 4,032 square meters. This is the solution. Same thing which I have put it by using the area of the sector and area of the triangle.